In this tutorial, we will see that how you can fix Facebook Marketplace is not available to you. So let's dive right in. So there are some of steps that you can follow. So for the first step, open your Play Store or App Store if you're using iOS and then simply search for Facebook. Open it and update your app. So it may not showing this Marketplace option because you may using outdated version of Facebook, and this Marketplace option is only available in updated version. So firstly you have to update it. After updating, you can check if your problem is fixed or not. Then simply for the second step, open Facebook and from your profile, scroll down and open the settings and privacy. Open settings and click on this see more in account center and open personal details that you will find in account settings. From here, open birthday and you have to make sure here that you are 18 plus because this marketplace option is only available in 18 plus accounts. So this was the second criteria. Minimize it and open your apps. Open Facebook and simply open the storage and cache and then clear cache from here, and after that clear storage. If you are using iOS, you can simply offload this app. Okay, and the last option that you can do is open Google and search for marketplace. Open this first link and after logging into your account, you will find here this marketplace feature. So these were the steps that you can follow.